Okay? Just a minute. Let me set my clock. Alright. Now, as we were doing, we were thinning up this hood here, as I call it, and we're really going to thin up this beak, okay? But let's be very, very careful here, okay? Take very small cuts up underneath here. Take just the edge of your blade. See that? I'm just using the edge of my blade. See that? That's the edge of my blade. Uh-oh. Ooh, see? Oh, that's great. Oh, I thought... Oh, no, I didn't. I thought I'd taken a little bit too much off, but I didn't. Sometimes a knife just... It just cuts so cleanly. There we go. See that? Okay. All right. Look at that, see? All right, let's go back down here. And let's start bringing out, let's start bringing down just a little bit this area. This is the tail. We'll go back to the head again in a minute. Let's just kind of bring out. Now, what we're going to do, this tail is way too, let's go ahead and just bring this out just a little bit. There we go. Okay. I need to bring this down even more. That area in there. Same thing here. Because we're going to thin this tail up quite a bit. See from this side what we're doing here? See from that? Where the tail comes into it. Now, this tail, of course, is way too thick. So, just like the beak or anything like that, we have got to thin this tail up. Which we're going to do like this. But you need to be careful. You want to hold it. See what we're doing? And actually it's more of a, there we go. Not an upward motion of the tail, but a, so just be careful. Don't take big chunks. See? Okay. Let me see here. Tail's got to come down more. Just take it easy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just bring it down also in this area. kind of bring it up. So like that. There we go. And kind of bring this in. Now if you look, of course the bird is way too fat, so all this is going to have to be coming down. As you begin to look at your tail, and as you thin your tail up, you begin to notice, if you look from this end, that the bird has to come down. See, it's way too thick in these areas, so we're going to have to bring that down. By doing one thing, it gives you sort of a perspective of what else you've got to do. And thinning up this area in here. So it will be right with the there you go. Some errors in this grain. It's sort of, you really have to do a lot of switching sometimes on the there we go. See how this is more of a shaping project than anything in the world? And not in anything in the world, and anything. Not to get around there. Okay, let's look at our project again. Okay. And let's bring this head closer to the actually it's almost that. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of that cat one of these days. It's my stepdaughter's cat there. I've always been a dog man myself. All right. Okay, it's just about time once again, and we'll probably come back and almost finish this thing up. Oh, I'll probably finish it up pretty good. Okay.